I'm also facing the same issue you have, is that I'm not able to remember my prompts, and I'm not able to all those prompts to save anywhere. Like I tried Notion, I've tried Keep Notes and everything, but I'm not able to manage my prompts. So what I did is that in a single night, I've built this tool called Lake Prompt, which help you save your prompts inside ChatGPT itself. So I will quickly go through how this tool, this Chrome extension will help you save your prompts in ChatGPT. So what you need to do, and whenever you install this Chrome extension, it's in beta now, and we will later on add more features like dashboard, projects, and folders to organize your prompts as well. So whenever you land on ChatGPT, one thing you will notice is that you will able to see the save button. It's not already there, but it's blank whenever you install this extension. And what you need to do is you just need to type exclamation mark. Now you will able to access all those prompts you have saved so far. Imagine you have 15 plus prompts for copywriting, for designing, for the image generation, and especially in India, we have tried Keeply Art, right? So those prompts are precious. Those prompts we are not able to remember all the time, but everyone needs the prompts at the end of the day and in their workflow. So what you need to do is just click exclamation mark, and you will able to access all those prompts you have saved so far. And when you hit enter, this prompt will be automatically pasted in your chat. Anywhere you can access this. Also, to save this, you just need to click on new prompt, or what you can do is that if you paste it over here and you just click the save button, that same prompt will be autofilled. You just need to give it the title, that it could be demo 1 or something, right? And that automatically will save. And now you will be able to access with the same sign, that exclamation sign. So it's that easy to save all those prompts you have with the tag, with the title. And one more thing I can also recommend you is that you can access inside the description what you have keywords or what specific thing you have typed in that prompt, because we are not even sometimes we are not able to remember what we are looking for, and this particular search result will help you find inside the prompt you have saved so far. So this is all in this Lake prompt, and you are able to access this in your ChatGPT anywhere, any chat, and all those prompts will be saved. So I want your feedback on how you are able to leverage this small tiny Chrome extension in your workflow, and we will keep improving this tool for teams, for collaborations, and all those things. So I'm really excited to share this with you. So give your support, give your feedbacks, and I'm happy to add all those features or the requests you have. Thank you.